kitchen today. Today is Sunday. We're doing fried catfish, and the queen is on the ones and twos today. And this her catfish right here, all seasoned up. And she have her cornmeal mixture right here. And we also have some sweet peas going. Okay, also, here's the salad I made. It's simple, just lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers with a little salt and pepper. And here goes the potato salad that Mama made also. And we just doing this like a little vlog style because, you know, it's Sunday, football games coming on. So y'all gonna get this video today. Actually, that'll be something that I have never done. Actually recording and releasing the video the same day. And once again, they go to fish. And show y'all a little snippet of the queen putting the fish in the fryer, and she only used 100% yellow cornmeal. She didn't put no flour or nothing else in it. Give y'all a sneak peek at what she's doing.
And I have lemon pepper, Zatarain Cajun seasoning, a pinch of gumbo filet just for that kick, and a tad bit of salt and pepper. That's it.
And guys, she told me, she said, babe, you can take the day off. You've been cooking a lot lately. So she said, me and Mama got it. So I just been chilling today and helping do stuff around the house. And I'm allowing the matriarch of the family and the boss lady, aka the queen, do her thing. And also in the comment section below, let us know who's your favorite NFL team, who you going for. And also, if you have made it this far in the video, hashtag in the comment section below, cooking with the crew. Also, thumbs up the video, thumbs down, whatever you want to do. Make sure you click the bell and turn on all post notifications so you'll get notified when we upload. And subscribe if you haven't. We'd love to have you a part of the crew. And if you're new over here and you don't know about my queen channel, it's Alicia Southern Crew is the main channel, and Mississippi Southern Crew is the second channel.
Oh, one more thing, I'm sorry. I put some fresh lemon juice in here. That's what I meant to say. When I had put it on, not in the...
When you were seasoning it.
Yeah, but just on the fish. Fresh lemon juice.
You know, I just wanted to show the family the fish since I didn't show them. I just showed them frying it, so I just want to pull it out.
And you sample it. You gonna tell them how it was?
Oh, I also tried a piece along with the queen. We split a piece, and it's really good, seasoned well, the crispiness on point, and it's fried just right. And to be honest, we got these from Walmart. I think it was like $15.99 a bag. This right here is super fresh. You know, sometimes frozen fish normally don't taste fresh, but you can tell as soon as they farm this and cut it up, they froze it and shipped it out. So it tastes good.
Like if you look at it and you see, which I know you know, but if you look at it and see, you can tell that it was fresh.
Right.
And that's some thick cut fish, but it's not tough.
Right, and it don't have that gamey, fishy taste, muddy water taste. So yeah, guys, give y'all one more look. Y'all can see the seasonings all in there too. Queen definitely doing her thing. But like I said, we'll bring you guys back once we get to plate it. Okay, family, here's the final plate. And we have the salad here with just lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers. We have the potato salad that Mama Margaret made. And here go the catfish that the queen, Alicia herself, she made. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment in the comment section, and also don't forget to hashtag cooking with the crew if you made it this far. And also in the comment section below, don't forget to let us know who you're going for this Sunday and what's your favorite NFL team. And we out of here. See y'all in the next video. Peace.